Yeah, okay, I started recording. So, guys, myself Amar. So I do have around 10 plus years of experience overall into IT industry. So I'm the trainer here. So into DevOps, I have around 5 years of experience, guys. This is about my background. Okay, so in training field also, I'm almost there since 6 to 7 years. So initially, I was a Linux admin. Okay, so thereafter I just moved into DevOps career, DevOps skill set, guys. Okay, so this is about my background, guys. Okay, someone saying something? Can anyone respond, please? What is session started? So Sai, are you able to hear me now? Hello, Sai. Are you able to hear me? Guys, are you able to hear me? Can you please confirm? Unmute yourself, guys.
Yes, we are able to hear
Unmute
you.
yourself. Yeah, please speak out because I may not see the chat box every time. And it's better to speak out. It's not like I'm listening, I'm teaching, and you're listener. Okay, so I need a like interactive session, guys. Please unmute everybody if you don't have disturbance, and make sure that you don't have any noise from your end, guys. Okay. Okay, let's start, guys. Can you guys please introduce yourself? Just your name, your background. So 2 lines. That's it. So Amish, can you please start with you?
Yeah, good morning, sir, and good morning, all of you. My name is Vaishali Bhatore, and I'm a software tester. I'm working in the inline technologies.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. Next, Arun. Hi, Arun.
Yeah, hi, sir. This is Arun. I'm working as a application support analyst. I have 11 years of experience.
Oh, great. Okay. Chetan. Hi, Chetan. Maybe speaker problem. Narmada. Hello, Narmada. Are you there?
Yes, Samar, good morning. I worked on programmer analyst in Cognizant.
Okay, great. So, how much experience you have?
4 years.
4 years. Okay, that's great. Okay, next. Ram Subbareddy.
Hi Amar, good morning. Actually, I am working as a support analyst for Hadoop, around 4 years experience.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so next. Subhashri. Hello, Subhashri. Are you there?
Hi sir, I am working on a Java developer in Genpact 2 years of experience.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, next. Who else? Uma Shankar. Vamshi, actually, it seems you don't have speaker enabled. Can you please check in? Okay, maybe he left. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Uma Shankar.
Yeah, hi sir. Myself Uma Shankar. I have around 5+ years of experience, and I'm into iOS development.
Okay, that's great. Okay, next. Sai. Sai, are you there?
Hello. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, Sai.
Yeah, I'm working in HCL. I just joined as a fresher.
Okay.
Yes, I'm working on Java technology.
Okay, that's great. So, okay, guys, let's start. I hope everybody done. Anybody pending, guys? Anybody would like to talk anything? Okay, that's fine. Maybe Vamshi, like I can see.
One question. This is
Yes,
Ram.
go ahead. Yes, Ram, tell
Actually,
me.
a few doubts regarding DevOps. Like either it is good for support analyst. Like Ram, I am working for Hadoop actually. Hadoop application support. Is it good for going through DevOps? Means this is a correct path or not? I'm not sure that. That's why I'm just haven't.
Okay, so definitely I will clarify your doubt. So who eligible, for whom it is good and all, definitely. So actually, like I am going to have this demo 2 days, okay, today and tomorrow, because
Okay.
within one day we cannot complete. So within 2 days I will finish. I will clarify everything your doubt. What is DevOps and why nowadays DevOps is becoming popular? Everything I'll cover. Okay, don't.
Thanks.
Okay. So let me share my screen, guys. I want to share my screen. Please tell me once you are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, then good. That's great. So, guys, today's agenda is in day-to-day life, what an IT guy used to do actually. So maybe I'm sorry, guys, already some guys, working guys here. So just bear with me for 15-20 minutes because here most of the even some guys are from non-IT background or else just a fresher. So I would like to like explain, give high-level overview. So what is a project actually? Okay, what maybe different teams will be there, right? Application teams will be there in IT company. What they used to do, that is what I would like to explain first. Okay, so then after, so like maybe SDLC, so I'll explain, I'll come to these things one by one, guys. So as I told you, I'm going to split so my demo into 2 days. Okay, so everything I will explain. So I'm going to explain what is the real-time project, what is SDLC first of all. Okay, so how to implement SDLC and all. Okay, like again, what is DevOps? What are the advantages of DevOps? Who is eligible for DevOps? Okay, prerequisites. So what I am going to provide, timings. Okay, these are the things I'm going to provide. So maybe first let's come to timings part, guys, because this is very important. I don't want to mess up you guys. 30 a.m. IST. Prerequisites such as Linux. Okay, till 2 weeks. So guys, 8:30 a.m. Okay, up to 2 weeks. Next to 2 weeks with this week and next week will be 8:30 a.m. only for Linux. Okay, so then after I do how 2 batches, guys, for DevOps. You can choose any one. Both are same batches only. I meant to say anywhere you can join your wish. These are the 2 timings I have for DevOps. Once you are done with prerequisite. Okay, so this is about timings. Any doubts here, guys? All are Indian timings. If you are from different regions, any other location, please convert your timings, guys. Okay, so this is about timings, and duration will be duration 60 working days, guys. Working days, Monday to Friday, daily, minimum 1 hour. Okay, this is about duration. Okay, 60 working days, Monday to Friday only, no weekends, and daily minimum 1 hour, maximum 1.5 hours also. Okay, so it depends on that topic. 1 to 1.5 hours is the class timings. 60 working days will be there, and these are the timings for your classes. 8:30 for Linux. I mean, maybe demo and as well as continuation to Linux. So it will be 2 weeks around. Then after DevOps class will be started. So because without Linux, you cannot go with the DevOps, guys. So that is the reason I'm making this prerequisite first. Okay, that is about timings. Now, sir, guys, I'm getting disturbance. Even sometimes small movement also give big noise, guys. Make sure that you are in mute until unless you want to speak something. But whenever I ask something, please unmute yourself. Don't be idle. Don't be dumb. Okay? Okay, then go ahead. So as I told you, first I will explain about what is a real-time project. What exactly we used to do in our real-time, maybe in IT companies, first of all. Okay, so anybody fresher is there here, guys? Hello, guys.
Yes,
Anybody
yes.
fresher? Who is that?
Sai Kumar.
Okay, Sai. So you are a fresher. Okay, I would like to maybe give some clarity to you. So maybe guys, please bear with me. Already, whoever has the experience, just 15 minutes. Okay. So Sai, day-to-day life, you will use so many applications, right? Maybe I hope you have smartphone, right? What are the mobile applications like you used to use daily basis? Maybe WhatsApp,
WhatsApp.
right? So what is WhatsApp? What is WhatsApp? So basically WhatsApp is a chatting tool. You can do chatting. You can do audio calling, video calling, group calling, profile update, maybe set. So many things, backups, restores, right? Payments also recently they introduced. This many things working for you. Example, this is my mobile. Okay, and this is your mobile. So actually when I do audio calling, it's not like direct call between you and me. Okay, so it's something like you have same application, I have same application. That is the reason I'm able to call. It's not like that. That is a prerequisite. But apart from that, what will happen means definitely WhatsApp has its own data center. Definitely, it should have their own data center there internally, guys. Example, audio calling functionality. So how that audio calling working? So basically, when I do audio calling, it will connect to that audio calling server, guys. Somewhere in WhatsApp data center, so that server, some application is running for this audio calling. Maybe sometimes group of applications, not one or two applications, guys. It depends. What application is out of matter internally. Okay, there are so many applications, so many technologies they will use, guys. All together only you are getting WhatsApp application. Like in WhatsApp, there are so many, right? Audio, video, group calling. How you are getting? Definitely, they have different technologies there. Obviously, to maintain the technologies, I need an operating system. Operating system, where do I install? On top of hardware. So that is the purpose. They will maintain the data center. So data center is nothing but a big building with their own data, like a hardware. On top of it, their application, their OS, their application, internal applications run. So actually here, there are three set of servers will be there, guys. Every company, every project, every organization will maintain three set of servers. Those are called as development, quality environment, production environment. So three setup, same setup will be there, guys. Here development also same setup. Means one example, assume that one data center. Again, quality, one more data center, production, one more data center. So here, like what is the difference? I will explain. So definitely every application, like so initially we will have sample, maybe basic functionality only. We don't get everything in a single shot, right? Like audio calling, video calling. No. Initially we received only chatting. Okay, so later on only audio calling, video calling, then those things and so as I told you guys, here in development. So example, this is my office, WhatsApp office. IT team will sit in WhatsApp somewhere. Example, I'm from Hyderabad. So in Hyderabad, WhatsApp office is there. So we will sit here. IT team, application team, database team, developer, tester, everybody will sit in our office only, not in data center. So data center will be somewhere in secure location. Okay, over the network we used to connect to these servers, guys. So IT employees, what they used to do from their offices, we used to connect to these respective servers. What we can do in development servers. So here always new developments will happen, guys. So over the network, every server has one IP address or names. We'll connect to those names by from our office, from our laptops to these maybe servers. So there we used to do development, guys. New developments will happen always. Maybe writing code, new configurations. So that is the reason we are getting audio calling, video calling, group calling, one by one, not all at a time. Okay, they used to do here only. They don't touch these production servers, guys. Production servers are only for customers' purpose. Server is nothing but operating system with your application. Internally, there are so many technologies they will use. Okay, so these are called as production. This is only for customer purpose. So development is for new developments. Always your IT employees will develop the stuff here only. And the quality server, here tester will comes into picture. So whatever you developed here, that product, same we will implement here. Now your tester comes into picture, guys. Your Selenium automation testers will be there, right? They will run the test cases. What test cases? So example, without test, if I release into the production, what will happen now? So if there is any security bugs or vulnerabilities or maybe something problem with your code, you cannot identify. Okay, maybe your code is working here, but still you don't know that what kind of vulnerabilities you have, what kind of bugs you have in your code. Is there any like poor quality of code is there? So that is what tester comes into picture. Okay, then after, once the tester finished his work, then only the product will be implemented, the code, the application will be implemented or set up in production. Now finally he will be notified, maybe we will release the Play Store application or App Store application with the latest settings. So now whenever Amar opened a mobile application with WhatsApp, he will be notified, hey Amar, you got a latest version. So I'll download it. That means I'll get latest settings for my application, whatever the like audio calling, video calling functionality I added, right? That settings I'll get here. Customer will get. Now you will be able to do video calling. Same concept, guys. Here, every example audio calling released. Now your management will announce video calling in your project. Hey guys, we are going to launch video calling. So that is where again development, quality, production, release into the market. So guys, this whatever the stages you are going through here, these stages are called as SDLC, software development life cycle. So Sai, have you heard anytime this word SDLC, software development life cycle?
Yes, yes.
Okay, basically SDLC stands for this one only, the stages you are going through. So any
Yes.
product, doesn't matter, not only WhatsApp, not only Facebook, Twitter.com, YouTube.com, any application, any product should go through this SDLC process. Any project, Airtel, Paytm, Vodafone, Idea, you're able to see browsers, right? Websites, how they are developing. So step by step. So if new functionality they added means compulsory, that functionality should go through this SDLC process. To get a quality product, guys, that is the common procedure everywhere. That is the methodology, guys. That is a set of stages. SDLC means it's not a tool. So here SDLC has many again different stages, guys. See, whenever a new product introduced or announced in your project, okay, so there will be different teams involved: application team, development team, DB, system admin, data center engineer, management, architect. So first analysis will happen, guys, about that product. Whenever a new product or new implementation we would like to think, okay, maybe new product announced in your project. Okay, so first analysis will happen. There will be different teams and everybody will think about what exactly this audio calling, how to develop. Okay, so guys, real time, one more thing, every application will install in separate servers. So example, audio calling may need like around 4 internal applications, some applications. So we'll install 4 in separate. Over the network, they will connect together. So here audio calling functionality, we will decide what kind of applications we need, what kind of setup we need, how many servers we need, who is responsible for which task, how many days it may take, what is the cost of my project, this for audio calling functionality. Everything they will decide here. Then after design means based on the discussion happen, your architect will create a roadmap, maybe PPT diagram. Okay, so exact roadmap. This is what you have to do. This is what development team has to do. This is what application team has to do. Those kind of stuff. Blueprint of your project. Then there your actual development will start. Maybe example, so audio calling, so existing setup is already there for development, but still this might be for starting functionality, these applications. So you will work with your data center engineer for system admin. You will build a new servers everywhere in development, in quality. So whatever you have in development, definitely you will have in production also, guys. You will work with the data center engineer, and we will set up. Setup means he will set up the hardware. We will install the operating systems and applications on top of these new servers. Okay, then your developer will start working, maybe writing code and all. And your application team, like they used to configure the applications based on new version. Okay, so first they will work on development. They won't touch this and this. Always new development will happen in this new development data center only, development servers only. Over the network, we will connect to this development data center, development servers. So it may take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, based on project, based on a code. Okay, then after, once your management, everything approved, so maybe your code is working, your application, or your audio calling working now. So then only the same application, same setup we will implement here in quality data center. Here your tester comes into picture. Your tester will do the test cases by using Selenium based on the product. He used to work with, he used to run the test cases. Finally, once the test cases completed, once everything satisfied, then your management will approve and it will be implemented in production. Same application setup will here. Data center means a big building. Okay, so maybe there you will maintain your hardware. On top of it, you will install operating system. That is called a server. Data center means big building. So maybe let me show you how the real-time data center will be. Basically, data center means a very big building. Okay, something like a secure location. This is called as enclosure. Here, this is your server. This is your hardware, guys. On top of it only, so your data center engineer setting up the hardware. So once he set up the hardware, see the wiring, network, storage, backup. Again, so many. Again, setup is a huge setup, guys. So this is your server hardware. Here you will get an IP address for each server. Over the IP, like your system admin will connect to this servers and he will install the operating systems. So operating system, once you install operating system, that is called as, this is one server. Means where your application running. On top of your first hardware, on top of it operating system, on top of it your application. That is called as one server. Okay, are you clear now? And don't ping, guys. Yes. Try to speak. Yeah. Who is this? Umashankar.
Umashankar.
Okay, you can speak out. Okay. So that is how the SDLC procedure will be there, guys, in any project. Then after once production release, so we will create one small application with the new settings and will release into that app store or play store. Now customer, example Amar, whenever I open WhatsApp application, I'll be notified. Hey Amar, you got a latest version for your WhatsApp. So I'll download it. Now onwards I'll get audio calling functionality. Same. Now once audio calling released into the project, so management announced one more project, video calling. So they will announce into the market also, guys. Maybe you may have heard that. Like before 6 months itself, they will announce into the market. We are going to launch. Maybe you may have seen some news also. WhatsApp is going to launch video calling soon. What does that mean? They are in SDLC process now. They are in development phase. Okay, they developed it. They are testing it. After that only production, they will release into the product, they will install, they will set up the same stuff on production server. Now customer will be notified. This is what SDLC process, guys. It's a common project, doesn't matter. I'm not talking about DevOps still. Okay, so yet to come, yet to discuss about that. This is a general project, doesn't matter whether you are using DevOps or not. Okay, so this SDLC we can make it in two ways, guys. So there are commonly used methods like agile method and waterfall method. Have you heard any time, guys? Again, these are not tools. These are the methods to implement SDLC process. How many ways? Okay, so how many ways we implement SDLC? We can implement in two ways, waterfall method and agile method. So basically waterfall method is an older method, guys. So I'll show you in diagrammatical way. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Okay, I hope you are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Back?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We are able to.
Okay. So what is waterfall method? So guys, as I told you, this is also SDLC only, Agile also is SDLC only. But let's assume that, see, 12 months target I have. Okay, so around 10 months or 11 months target I have. So within that, I want to release my product into the market. I want to develop, test everything. But the thing is here, see, in waterfall method, maybe previous method, guys, not current method. So example, WhatsApp I want to release. We used to, so organization, they used to require the maybe gathering the requirements, like see, almost 1.5 months. They are for gathering requirements itself. Maybe example, what they want to develop. A complete application they would like to develop it at one shot. They used to develop. Okay, so complete whatever the functionalities they would like to develop everything. So that's the reason 1.5 months it is taking. Then after design phase, so again 1.5 months, because you have a huge requirement. And here design also taking same time, coding also same time, because multiple functionalities you are developing. Again testing takes time, much time, and finally release. But here, guys, it takes more time, and until like you release the product into the market, you don't know what are the actual issues. Maybe in testing phase you may not get much things, only you can get like quality of your code, security issues, if you, and basic things you can. But once you release into the market, then only you will come to know the actual maybe what I can say, bugs and vulnerabilities. Because Always customer is from different locations, different networks, different environments, mobiles, right? Definitely we cannot test everything in live in a project. So once you release into the market, then only we will come to know what exactly the issues in your products. Very difficult thing and all. So maybe previous days. But the same thing, if you go with Agile method, what here we will do, guys, we'll make maybe small period, so small durations, guys, small like what I can say, we'll divide our application into small chunks, maybe functionality wise. See here, same here also SDLC process only. In Jan itself, I'm getting the required example for starting basic functionality. For starting, I will gather the requirement, what I need, basic functionality. Maybe charting also may need more setup, more again requirements and all. But first we'll
Hello,
start with
can you maximize the screen?
I'm sorry.
We are not unable to see the screen properly. Can you maximize? Yes, yes, okay. Yes, got it.
Is it fine? So see here also Agile method also same SDLC method only. But see monthly like so even target also 11 months only, 10 months or 11 months only. But every month I'm making my application, I divided into small chunks. Maybe monthly goal I have taken here. Okay, so example for starting basic chatting functionality. We'll gather the requirement, analysis, design, code, test, release into the market. Now definitely next month I'll start so in chatting itself, definitely I'll get the feedbacks from customer. Okay, how the chatting feedback team will be there, backend survey team will be there. They will take the complaints. If you see Play Store or App Store, you can give the complaints. The developer teams used to reply back to you. Okay, if you have any issues, so they will take the again those challenges, those complaints, what exactly they're facing. Is it a application problem or is problem? Okay, those kind of fixes, and as well as they will start with new functionality also, not only fixes. Here they will take the like challenges here, whatever they faced in a final application, and apart from that new functionality also they will start here. Requirement gathering, again same concept. Again, if you go to third month, same again 1 and 2 challenges they will start here, plus new functionality. Again fourth month also same 1 and 2 and third like the three months application, whatever we develop, right, those challenges plus fourth new functionality. Like this, step by step they will improve the applications, plus they will add the new functionalities in Agile method. So basically nowadays everybody using Agile method only, guys. Nowhere very like a waterfall method is a very old method. Okay, Agile method only, continuous. Now that is fine. This is also normal project only. Then where is DevOps comes into picture? So basically, guys, DevOps is not a single tool again. Okay, so internally, generally to do all these things, like to development, for writing, Java, .NET, CPP, so whatever it might be. Again, for new build. So again, after the design, as I told you, your developer, maybe your server system admin has to work with your data center engineer for new builds. Okay, so again, it's not a big easy task, guys. As I told you, a customer, see how big like again setup you need. This is one enclosure. You have to work with this data center engineer. So to set up this hardware, minimum 1 month it will take. Previous days, guys, previous days we used to take this much time, maybe 10 years back. There is no alternative. Okay, compulsory you have to go with, you have to maintain your own data center, very costly also. Not only time taking procedure, it's costly also. You need multiple teams. You need your own data center. You need a data center engineer. You need a system admin. to install operating system. To get storage, again, storage you won't get here. Hardly 100 GB, 200 GB storage you will get here. But real time, I need a huge storage. Again, storage technology. For that purpose, storage team should be there. Again, network team will be there. Backup team separate. This many teams you need. Previous days. Minimum 1 month it will take to get your hardware. This setup done, maybe all these coordinations done. Once that installation also 1.5 hours it will take. Once you get the hardware. Previous days. But the same thing, guys, in DevOps there are so many tools. Okay, so all the way by using those DevOps tools, it's a culture. Set of tools. Development plus operations. So we can say many definitions, guys, for DevOps. It's not a single tool. Set of tools are there. Development plus operation. Everywhere we will be involved as a DevOps admin. So by implementing DevOps tools in your project, what I can achieve means, guys, as I told you in previous days, compulsory your developer, your system admin has to work with your data center engineer, and minimum 1 month it will take to set up your hardware itself, hardware plus installation. Then only your developer can start the development. That is the problem. Maybe time taking procedure as well as cost also, because many teams required. You have to maintain storage team, network team, backup team, system admin, data center engineer. Again, each team multiple persons required because one person cannot support different technologies. So that is where DevOps comes into picture. So DevOps is a, again, culture, set of tools. So with those tools, we can complete like whatever you're doing. SDLC process only, guys. I'm not crossing that SDLC. SDLC only, but easy way, simplest way. Okay, now we have a tool called AWS. Guys, AWS is a cloud provider. Okay, what he can do, like there are some third party providers, guys, third party vendors like AWS, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Microsoft Cloud, Azure Cloud. What they did, they established their own data center across the world, like in UK, India, US, Canada, Singapore, China, Malaysia, different places. They established the data centers, and they created one easy web application. Okay, so over that web application, anybody, example, I started my maybe organization. Okay, I'm a WhatsApp organization. So simply I can create an account with AWS, and I can use their data centers. I no need to request my data center. I no need to maintain my data center. Already data centers are there. Simply I can create an account with them. So they created easy services, that too. No, I no need to have multiple teams like storage team, network team, system admin, data center engineer. Simply they created simple services, easy options. Within 1 or 2 clicks, I can complete anything. Like I can add the storage to my servers. I can build servers within 2 minutes. Here, in previous days, to build my, maybe to get my hardware itself, minimum 1 month it's taking. But the same thing now, by creating an account with AWS, I'm getting within 5 minutes. Even account creation also, it won't take much time, 5 minutes. And then after server creation, it will take 2 minutes. That's it. You can launch as many as. How many you launch, that much you have to pay. Not for hardware, only for services. Service wise, they created easy services. So maybe I'll give one more example, guys. In previous days, example, so personal life I'm taking. Okay, so some water bill I want to pay in like maybe 10 years, 15 years back. So guys, how we used to pay water bill in previous days, 10-15 years back? Water bill, internet bill, maybe a landline bill. We used to go to some nearby station. There we should stand in line. We should waste our half day. Then we have to pay. So that too immediately it won't be reflected. After 10-15 days, maybe so 2-3 days, it will be reflected. Right? Anybody doing like that now, guys? Anybody going to power station or water station to pay the bill? Are we doing, guys? Can you please reply?
No.
Nobody doing. The same thing I'm able to make it from my mobile application. I have an application. Same concept, guys, here also. Whatever you used to do previously, the same thing I can get in AWS. That is one of the tools. In the same way, like development also. So here development is nothing but not only writing the code. There are so many other things to do every time. Example, today developer connected to development server. So how to connect, we'll see later. High level I'm giving. So once he connect, right? Example, he written some program. Not only that one. After writing the program, he should do some other tasks. There are multiple teams involved here, like application team, database team, developer, all together work together. After writing the program, then only that development day to day, within a single day, he cannot complete. Daily some tasks, daily like some things he used to develop components. Every time that application database, all should be present and all should work together. Their task they should do. There is a huge dependency in between the teams. Again, here what we will do, example, DevOps, there is a tool called Jenkins. Okay, so your management decided to go with DevOps. So what I will do as a DevOps admin, first I will talk to all these guys. What exactly they are doing, what application guy doing, what developer doing, what database guy doing. Those commands I will pick. Not I don't do development, but after writing the program, whatever the tasks they are running, whatever the commands they are running, those are routine tasks. Daily same command, same by connecting from here to here, they used to do this. Those kind of comments I'll pick it. I'll write down here in Jenkins. Jenkins is one of the DevOps tool, CI/CD tool we used to call it as. Okay, so and we'll set up the communication between, instead of connecting from here to here, the same setup will set up communication from this server to this respective servers. So to which server you are connecting manually, right? To run the commands. The same to the same server will set up communication from here. Okay, now onwards, once your developer done his development, writing the code, so immediately my Jenkins will come to know that. You no need to inform. Automatically my Jenkins will do the remaining tasks. So Jenkins is very intelligent tool, guys. Automatically it will come to know that what exactly I have to do next. Finally, it will complete the other task. So in that way, guys, everywhere there are so many tools involved. Every tool, okay, purpose is different, but final goal is same. See, we can reduce the time. Example, server bills. In previous days, minimum 1 month we used to take. If hardware is ready, that's fine, 2 hours. If hardware not ready, you have to work with data center engineer. You have to ask setup. Oh, it's a big thing. 1 month it will take. But now hardly. Within 2 minutes, I'm able to launch my server, create new servers, new application, anything. So reduce the time is one advantage. We can reduce the dependency. As I told you here, your developer, once he written the program, there are so many tasks and application team, database team, they used to do by connecting the respective server manually. Again, it's time-based process. So now, if I implement DevOps tool Jenkins, automatically the other task will be done. So dependency reduced. So number of teams. Previously, like why team size will be like 10 people each team, 20 people each team, 100 people each team, because that work you have to do manually, so many things. But now, why firings happening, layoffs happening? Why? Because again, one of the reason is DevOps. You implementing automation, guys. What you are doing manually, those things I added into my DevOps. Obviously, the number of resources I need to do my task less. I need very less people. So obviously layoffs will be happen. Okay, so time cost cutting, less redundancy, reduce the dependency, automation. So guys, when you do automate, one more thing is the quality of the code also will be improved. Why? Because definitely while doing manually, sometimes you may miss some steps. Okay, that point of time, it sometimes some commands may not impact immediately. Later point of time, it will impact. So that if you find out after like releasing into the QA, so that will be very difficult to get back, fix it. But now if you automate, so guys, everything will be notified. So if you get some error, if you miss, there is no point of missing again. Definitely every step will be executed. Every step you will get a results also, notifications, what happening. If something error, immediately you will be notified. But here, when you do manually, definitely there are chances. You may ignore some error, some warning. It may not impact immediately. Later point of time, it may impact you. So there are so many things. That is one more advantage. Quality of the code will be improved if you go automation, if you go with automation. Cost reduce, already I told you. So this many advantages we have, guys. Everywhere. But there are many tools in DevOps. All the tool like purpose is same, different tool for different purpose, but goal is same. Reduce the cost. Your project cost, 6 months project, guys. Example, without DevOps, one project you started. Okay, 6 months, maybe 20 people total, different teams. 2 crores project it is. Maybe in terms of salary, in terms of applications you are using, in terms of again hardware, everything. The same project I can make it 2 or 3 months, 10 people, hardly 50 lakhs. See the difference, guys. This is DevOps. This is above is non-DevOps. Same project. Because here you implemented automation, you used like again your DevOps tools, so automatically everything will be done by your this one DevOps tools only. And one more thing, DevOps tools are open source tools, free of cost tools, secure tools only, official websites only will take, from there only will pick it. So this is the advantage of DevOps, guys. This is the reason nowadays everybody talking about DevOps. It doesn't matter. Okay, any project they are trying to implement DevOps. That is the reason nowadays you can see this many like requirements in the market also. Okay, so that is about like DevOps project. Why you implement? Why you have to implement DevOps? So any doubts, guys? Till now? Now it's your turn. Any doubts? Did you understand what is the purpose of DevOps? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So now next thing is who is eligible. Okay, who is eligible means, guys, anybody, doesn't matter. You're a fresher, just passed out, that's fine. But you may get little less requirement, but definitely you are eligible. And it doesn't matter. You are a developer, you're a tester, you're a Hadoop guy, you are some other mainframes, or some middleware, system admin, storage admin, network admin, backup, doesn't matter. Anybody is eligible. Definitely DevOps is one of the hot market nowadays. Definitely next 10 years also, like DevOps will be there. But there are so many competitors. Day-to-day life, you have to improve, upgrade your skill set. Simple. So here in my course, I'm going to like maybe teach you most commonly used tools. But apart from those tools also, there are so many other tools, competitors. You have to go through that. Okay, maybe based on your project, you might be assigned with different tool. So you have to learn later, not now. Once you are aware of this most commonly, definitely the usage, you logic, you will get. Okay, so definitely like you are eligible and you can make it, guys. Very, very useful nowadays. Okay, so someone asked me, right? Like he's from a Hadoop background. Who was that? Are you there? Okay, that's fine. So here prerequisite for our course at DevOps are, guys, this one. Linux knowledge is compulsory. Okay, so Linux is an operating system again, like Windows, but it's command based, guys, not no graphical screens. Everything is command only. You have to learn the commands, basic commands. So first 1.5 week, it will be Linux class only, guys. Same time, 8:30 a.m. IST from tomorrow again. I mean, tomorrow also, like tomorrow I will show you these things, guys. How to create your AWS account. Because most of the guys, you may have Windows in your laptop. So nothing, don't worry about that. You no need to install Linux on top of your your laptop. Everything. We'll create one cloud account. As I told you, so cloud is one of the third-party vendor. AWS is one of the third-party vendor where I can create an account with his website and I can access his data centers. I can install operating system on top of his data center, on top of his hardware. Okay, so these things I will show in tomorrow class. Again, even what I am going to provide, those things also, like documentation part. Okay, so those things and all I will show in tomorrow class. Now it's your turn. If you have any questions, you can ask me, guys. Again, as I told you already, these are the timings. Already,
So,
I told you. And one
so
more thing. Yeah, just a minute. Let me do one thing. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Okay. So, just a minute, guys. Here, providing my number. Hello, guys. Mute yourself. Hello, guys. Can you please ping me in WhatsApp so that I'll create a group so you'll get a recording. Hello, guys. Mute yourself. Okay. So, guys, have you received my number? Hello.
Sir.
Yeah. Can you please ping me in WhatsApp, guys?
Yeah, sure.
So I'll create a WhatsApp group. So guys, every day in WhatsApp only you'll get a maybe not initially, after enrollment you'll get recordings as well as notes, everything you'll get over the WhatsApp only. So ping me in WhatsApp, guys. Maybe you can ping right away. That is my WhatsApp number. So tell me now, guys. Yeah, someone was asking something. Can you please tell me now? What is your doubt? Hello? Yeah, guys. Someone told me, right? What is your doubt? Tell me. Anything you want to ask?
Sir, hi, sir. This is Arun. Not sure if that guy is speaking, but I want to take a chance to ask this question. So how actually I'm an application support analyst, and I see the trend towards the DevOps, and already top firms are starting implementing DevOps. So how much the scripting knowledge is required for us? Maybe the Python and shell scripting, and what role we can be suited in the firms for us application support analyst. So what will be the trend where we are going heading after learning this DevOps? What are the opportunities we can have?
Okay, so definitely here, so one thing. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You are from application background, so it may not be application related. Okay, so you may not have, as a DevOps admin, you may not need application related knowledge and all. Okay, so but the thing is, as I told you, so even DevOps development knowledge also. Example, developer used to write the code. So as a DevOps admin, I no need to have a development knowledge. Okay, that writing Java code, .NET code, I no need to have it. Simply what I am doing, whatever after the writing code, okay, what commands he is running. Okay, so what are the other tasks he is running, I used to do. So in the same way, application things also. So application configuration, application level knowledge, I no need to have. So after writing the code, after configuration, maybe what kind of routine task you used to do, I will take care. Okay, so here simple DevOps admin will be there. So he may not be part of again writing the code, but definitely this shell scripting or Python, one of the knowledge is required. That is not development. That is to do the automations again. So in DevOps tools, while using with DevOps, okay, while working with your DevOps, definitely. So to do some automations and all. So again, Jenkins is again one of the CI/CD tool where I can integrate my shell script or maybe Python so that I can get more efficient. I can do my work in more efficient way. So definitely here shell scripting also required. So I'm going to cover shell scripting. Actually, it's not a DevOps tool, that shell scripting, but we will use that shell scripting in shell script or Python language in our DevOps tool, with including with DevOps tools. So definitely we need it. I'm going to cover that also. Okay, and as part of our course, guys, definitely you will get more number of tasks. So class is nothing, guys. Hardly. Okay, so in class, whatever we are discussing and all, just to get some idea or some knowledge about the tool. But apart from that, tasks are very important. I used to provide the tasks. Okay, so if you want to, again, you should be up to date with my tasks. Then only you will get more, more knowledge. Otherwise, it's waste of your time and my time as also. Okay, so definitely it's a beneficial for everybody. It doesn't matter your application guy or database guy or developer. The requirements also like that only in market. Okay, got it?
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Yeah. Next. So still I haven't received any chat, guys. Can you please ping me? Only two
Sir,
members ping.
can you teach any AWS basics?
Yes, definitely. Linux and AWS. If you go through the course content, can you ping me in group chat? Maybe in WhatsApp. That is what I'll provide, that course content also.
Okay.
But Linux and DevOps, sorry, not Linux. So these AWS, I'm going to teach minimum things. 15 services I'm going to cover almost. Definitely that is required. That is mandatory. Next. Only two guys pinged me. Can you please ping me, guys? Okay, three. If you ping me, so I'll send the recording. I'll send the course content. Maybe if you have any doubts also, you can ask me privately if you need. So anything else, guys? As I told you, so tomorrow also again demo only. So tomorrow I'm going to show you. So let me start. Tomorrow I'm going to show you this one, account creation. Okay, guys. Tomorrow I'm going
Can
to
you
show
tell
you
your
account creation. I'm sorry.
Can you tell your profile?
Means you're asking my introduction?
Yes, like
Definitely. So like I do have around 10 years of experience overall into IT industry. Into DevOps 5 years around. Again, even I've been in training field since 7 years. I was Linux admin initially, so I was teaching Linux before DevOps. So I am continuing since then, DevOps also. This is about my background. I'm working in Hyderabad-based company only.
Hi sir, this
Yeah.
is Harish.
Yes, Harish, tell me.
Yeah, I just joined. I didn't have the link, so I think you covered the overview of the course and everything. So
Exactly.
so basically, there were like two trainings. One is with Linux and the other one is with, I think, without Linux. So this one, you are going to cover Linux, right? Linux portion also.
Yes, you're right. First 2 weeks Linux only. First 1.5 2 weeks.
Okay, so I don't have to join any separate Linux course, right? So this is
Not required.
administration. Okay, okay.
Yeah, not
So,
required. But the thing is, yeah, just a minute. But the thing is, again, Linux task I will give. So you have to complete the Linux task. Again, day-to-day life DevOps class also, you will get so many Linux commands.
okay,
Okay, so because how much you are comfortable with Linux, that much you will be comfortable with DevOps also.
okay, sure. And this will be like 1.5 hour every day, like 9 to.
Minimum 1 hour.
Okay,
It
sure.
can be up to 1.5 hour also, but compulsory is 1 hour.
Okay. So this course like it's like you say 60 days, right? 60 days
Yes,
means like it could take more than like 2 months,
yes,
right?
maybe
Mhm.
more or less. Minimum
Okay.
60 days, maybe 65 days, something like that. Definitely, it will take more time only. Okay,
Yeah, I mean,
because
I don't
sometimes
know.
some topics maybe like I have to
Mhm.
like give multiple times.
Right,
Sometimes first time itself you may not understand.
right. I
Sometimes
mean,
students ask like show me one more time, or
right.
maybe this complete topic I want to listen one more time, like that they may ask you. So that
Okay,
case again it may take some time, some more time.
sure. Sure, I don't know others' concern, but if we can take like 1.5 hour and try to wrap it up in 2 months, because I'm planning to find job in February. So, yeah.
So I'll give option for you that. Okay, maybe like I may not confirm right away about that.
Mm-hmm.
Because what will happen now? Sometimes if I make it like more time, some student might be confused. They need some practice first of all,
Okay.
whatever I
Oh,
teach. So like every time it may not work, but definitely we'll try. What you can do, yeah, as I told you, I have 2 batches for DevOps, right? You can join 2 if you need. Maybe guys, that is also possible. But both are different batches. Okay,
okay.
so you can join
Mhm.
2 batches in that case.
So when is the timings for the second other batch?
See, so are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I am seeing. Yep.
These are
7:15
after
and then
Linux.
7
Okay,
p.m.
so first 1.5 week this time 1.5 2 week. Then
Okay.
after DevOps timings are this.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Sure.
You can choose any batch your wish, or you can choose both also. I don't have any problem. Both are different batches, guys.
Okay, sounds good. Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, just now I pinged in group chat. Maybe I given one chat invite. Just click on that chat invite, guys. WhatsApp chat invite. You will be added into your group. I mean WhatsApp group. Please click on
Okay.
that group.
Where is it? Okay.
I just pinged my number already. So 7. Maybe let me ping one more time.
Yeah. Can you bring in? Yeah.
Let me
720.
ping.
That one, right? 720 number.
Yes.
Okay. I'll
Ping
ping
me
it
in
in
what?
my. Yeah.
I'll give group invite. Yeah. Anything else, guys? You want to ask?
And the course fee is
Guys,
10,000 rupees, right?
you can talk to Durga
Admin.
Soft guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. They
Thank
will
you.
take care. Don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, guys.
hello, sir.
Thank
Prabhat
you.
here. Hello.
Yes. 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 Tell me.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Tell me. I'm here.
So, what are the tools you are going to cover in this course? So, actually, I
I will
joined a little
provide.
late.
I'll provide the course content. Maybe ping me in WhatsApp.
Sir, can you
Oh,
please bring the demo link because I did not attend the
Yeah,
recorded
definitely.
videos.
You will get the class recording also after this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe in 2-3 hours you will get the recording.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So
Hi,
next
Amar.
3-4 days.
Actually,
Just a
one
minute.
thing.
So guys, next until next confirmation, the link will be same time 8:30 a.m. and link also will be same. There won't be any change. Okay, so make sure that even if you don't get the link also, join the same link.
Tomorrow.
And until next update.
But we need to pay the fee until when?
I don't know. You have to talk with Durga Soft. Call to them.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay then, guys. We'll meet again tomorrow same time. So there I will show you the prerequisites and all. So ping me in WhatsApp so that I'll add you into my group. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.